Installation of Breezeless E. This installation is mainly divided into the following parts. Appropriate position for installation. An appropriate position should be chosen before the installation of split air conditioner. Here are some inappropriate positions of installation. There is heat source or steam source near the installation position. There are obstacles which block the air circulation near the installation position. There is fume or droplet near the installation position. Being too close to combustible objects such as curtain, clothing, and other movable items. Position which is within 40 inches 100 centimeters far away from television, stereo, or other household appliances. Ventilation is poor and there are obstacles around, which may affect airflow. Positioned where flammable, explosive, or corrosive gas may leaks. It is recommended that customized anti-corrosion air conditioner for the area like seaside where corrosion is strong. It is recommended to build shelters above the outdoor unit in the area with heavy snow or heavy rain. It is recommended to build a barrier in front of the outdoor unit towards the wind direction in strong windy area. Choose the position with well ventilation, but also sheltered from the rain and direct sun expose if possible. When the outdoor unit is installed along the street, additional wind backflow device should be taken into consideration to prevent wind from blowing pedestrian directly. Preparation of installation tools. During the installation, the following tools may be used. Pressure gauge, vacuum pump, electric drill, clamp meter. Preparation before installation. Frequently installation materials. Connecting pipe. Wall sleeves. Wall sleeve covers. Sealing adhesive. Wrapping tapes. Copper nuts. Sealing plug. Requirements for copper connecting pipes. Pipe cutting. Cut the suitable length of copper pipe as required. Turn pipe cutter slowly and keep increasing force gradually. Make sure there is no deformation. Cut surface should be level. Remove burr inside of copper pipe with scraper. Use rubberized fabric to wrap copper pipe head to prevent foreign materials from entering. Pass the copper pipe through the insulation pipe, and the liquid pipe and gas pipe need to be separately wrapped in the insulation pipe and cannot be wrapped in the same insulation pipe. Sleeve the nut. Flaring work. Make pipe socket for copper pipe with pipe expander. Firmly hold copper pipe in a die in the dimension shown in the table. Fix flaring tools. Turn the handle clockwise and stop it when it rattles. Pipe socket should be level and uniform, free of crack. Wire stripping. Strip rubber skin at both ends of connecting wire separately to uncover the connecting wire. Use wire stripper to strip wire core. Twist the peeled copper wire into one piece. Installation of indoor unit. Confirm whether the indoor unit matches to the outdoor unit according to the model of purchased product. Unpack the packaging box, take out the indoor unit, and examine whether there is any scratch, deformation, and other defects on the panel. Take out the accessories. Check whether the accessories are complete. Space requirement for the installation of the indoor unit. Confirm the installation position of the indoor unit according to installation manual. The right and the left sides of the indoor unit should be more than 5 inches 12 centimeters far away from the wall. The upper side should be more than 6 inches 15 centimeters from the ceiling, and the lower side should be more than 80 inches 200 centimeters from the ground. Fix the mounting plate. Align screw hole corresponding to mounting plate with the plotted position of screw, and plot positions of several other screws. Fix and install the siding after installation position is confirmed. If it is a cement wall, insert the plastic sleeve firstly and then fix the installation plate with tapping screws. Determine the wall hole position according to the exit pipe direction and the expected installation position of outdoor unit. Avoid wires and other foreign materials. Attention should be paid that the inside of hole should be about 0.5 inches 1 centimeter higher than the outside. Put on wall socket. Connection of connecting pipe. The input-output pipe should be adjusted to appropriate position at slow speed with even strength. Insulating sleeve is cut 4 to 6 inches 10 to 15 centimeters to facilitate the connection with copper pipe and check for damage and bend. This red dot protrudes, indicating that the evaporator is filled with high-pressure nitrogen gas. For safety reasons, before loosening the plastic nut, use a hard object to press the plastic nut at the nitrogen filling port. After the red dot disappears, it indicates that the nitrogen has been released, and then loosen the sealing nut. Remove nut cap of copper pipe. The cone should be vertical to top pipe socket. When the nut is near the bottom of bolt, tighten it with wrench. After tightening, loosen it by one appropriate turn and then tighten it again. Firstly, connect low-pressure pipe, then connect high-pressure pipe. Pipe length and the elevation. Caution: capacity is base on standard length and maximum allowance length is base of reliability. Connection of drain pipe. This series of product is featured by two-way drainage function, and the position of drain pipe interface can be selected according to installation position. Note that during the adjustment of drain pipe, unused interfaces should be sealed by rubber plug. Seal drain pipe interface with adhesive to avoid loosening and leakage. Coiling is not allowed for water pipe. Connection of indoor power wire and signal wire. Open indoor unit panel. Loosen the screw used for fixing cover of electric control box, and remove the cover. Put the signal wire and power wire through wire outlet from the back. Connect the wires, refer to wiring diagram. Special attention should be paid if live wire and null wire are incorrectly connected. The air conditioners may not work regularly as a result of malfunction. Maintain appropriate curvature to avoid the loosening of wiring terminal under stress. Compress the connecting wire with press wire card and get the press wire card fixed. Pull the wire back moderately to make sure the connection is secure. Mount the cover of electric control box. Pipe laying and wrapping. Wrapping is conducted in order where power wire and signal wire are at upper side, connecting pipe is in the middle, and water pipe is at lower side. Reserve the copper screw position during wrapping for leak detection. Copper pipe should be sealed to prevent dust or foreign materials from entering when going through the wall. Hang the indoor unit. Copper pipe and connecting wire after wrapping are threaded slowly through wall hole to prevent from colliding with the wall or bending. Hang the indoor unit on the hook of mounting plate. Insert the lower part of indoor unit into the groove of mounting plate. The installation of indoor unit with embedded piping. Firstly, mark out positioning points on installation board for installation according to the length of input-output pipe. Make position on the wall with installation board according to the position of embedded pipeline and the installation board positioning point. Determine the installation position of indoor unit. According to reserved position of wall hole, confirm the direction of exit pipe and cut out cover of exit pipe. Remove drain pipe. Installation auxiliary bracket is threaded through hole of mounting plate to support indoor unit. Insulating sleeve of input-output pipe of indoor unit is split 4 to 6 inches 10 to 15 centimeters to facilitate the connection. Connect copper pipe. Note that copper pipe should be free of bending and deformation. Adjust drain pipe of indoor unit according to the reserved length of drain pipe. Note that the interface should be sealed with adhesive tape. Connection of power wire and signal wire. Wrapping is conducted in order where power wire and signal wire are at upper side, connecting pipe is in the middle, and water pipe is at lower side. Reserve the copper screw position during wrapping for leak detection. Installation of the outdoor unit. Space requirement for the installation of the outdoor unit. Make sure that it is no less than 12 inches 30 centimeters for left space of the outdoor unit, no less than 24 inches 60 centimeters for right space, no less than 24 inches 60 centimeters for upper space, no less than 12 inches 30 centimeters for back space, no less than 78 inches 200 centimeters for front space. The outdoor unit is installed on the ground. Use tape line to measure the distance between footing of the outdoor unit. Select the installation position of the outdoor unit. Note that a L-shaped sink should be set in drain hole of the outdoor unit for drainage. According to footing distance, drill into the expansion bolts. Locate the outdoor unit into the expansion bolts. Fit check washer and flat gasket. The outdoor unit is installed on the wall. Confirm the position of bracket holes with level meter. Note that bracket should be in a vertical plane. Fix mounting bracket of the outdoor unit. The bracket should be level and can withstand the weight more than 4 times the weight of people and outdoor unit. The outdoor unit should be placed levelly on the mounting bracket. Align elliptical hole of foundation bolt with fastener hole of bracket. The outdoor unit is fixed on the bracket by 4 bolts. Bolt is threaded from up to down and is tightened by adding check washer. If allowed, rubber gasket can be added to reduce the vibration of the outdoor unit during operation. Connection of outdoor drain pipe. Heat pump air conditioner is required to connect to drain pipe for outdoor unit. Gasket ring is sheathed on adapter of water outlet and turned 90 degrees after being installed in chassis through bottom of the outdoor unit. Drain pipe is sheathed and inserted into outdoor drain pipeline. Connection of outdoor connecting pipe. Open the cover of water collector. Unscrew the pipe cap. Align pipe socket of connecting pipe with the bell of globe valve pipe adapter. Screw pipe socket nut to the bottom of globe valve bolt with hand. Then tighten it with wrench. Tighten back after tightening for further tightening. Bending requirement for connecting pipe. Bending radius of connecting pipe should be more than 4 inches 10 centimeters and connecting pipe shall not be squashed during bending. Make waterproof bends if necessary. If the outdoor unit is installed on top and the connecting pipes enters the room through the wall hole from above, attention should be paid to making waterproof bend to prevent water from entering the room. Make oil trap if necessary. Note, the oil trap should be installed per 8 to 10 meters. Connection of outdoor power wire and signal wire. Open the large handle of the outdoor unit. Connection is conducted corresponding to identifier with reference to wiring diagram. Attention should be paid that mode of connection should corresponds with indoor side. Incorrect wiring may result in damage to the electrical control board. Unscrew retaining screw of press wire card. Remove the press wire card. When threading the wire, pay attention to maintain suitable curvature, and the wire shall not be pulled too straight. Mount the press wire card and tighten screws. Pull the wire back moderately to make sure the connection is secure. Mount the large handle. Vacuum. One end of the filler line of pressure gauge should be connected to the vent of vacuum pump, the other end is connected to filler mouth of low pressure valve. Open low pressure valve of pressure gauge. Keep high pressure valve closed normally. 15 minutes later, when pressure gauge reading is -0.1 Pa, close the low pressure valve of pressure gauge fully. Turn off the vacuum pump. After 5 minutes, check the indicating of pressure gauge. It should be has no change. Unscrew valve cap of high pressure valve and low pressure valve, and loosen valve core of high pressure valve through turning it for 1/4 lap counterclockwise with hexagonal socket for 5 seconds. Generally, turn off valve core if pressure gauge reading is about 0.5 Pa. Wait 1 minute, check the indicating of pressure gauge. It should be no change. Open fully valve cores of high pressure valve and low pressure valve. Tighten valve cap. Leak detection. Leak detection is conducted under standby mode condition in summer and under heating condition in winter. Soapy water detection. Apply soapy water. Washing powder is inapplicable of high concentration to all interfaces of nuts with brush, then observe it for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this as needed. If bubbles emerges, leakage exists in the system, nut should be tightened further. This method of leak detection is equally applicable for indoor unit. After it is confirmed that there is no leakage, insulation sleeve is used to wrap joints. Trial operation. Open the panel, remove the filter, and pour certain amount of water slowly through the upper part of evaporator to check whether drainage is smooth. After it is ensured that water flows through drain pipe smoothly, drain pipe should be inserted into outside drain pipeline. Current detection. Use clamp meter to clamp live wire to detect whether running current of air conditioner is within the normal range of current values. You can also use the remote control RG10 to enter engineering mode for current checking. Voltage detection. Multimeter is adjusted to AC stop. With red pin connecting to L, black pin connecting to N, measure whether running voltage meets range of use of product when air conditioner operates. Note, you can also use the remote control RG10 to enter engineering mode for voltage check. Evaporator temperature T2 detection. Use the remote control RG10 to enter engineering mode for T2 temperature check. Both outdoor and indoor temperatures can affect T2. Generally, if T2 temperature is below 14 degrees, it indicates that the air conditioning cooling is normal. If the room temperature cannot decrease continuously, the possible reason may be that the room is too large or the insulation effect of the room is poor, and the selected air conditioning cooling capacity is too small. Air outlet temperature inspection. After setting the refrigeration mode and continuously running for 15 minutes with high air, use a thermometer to distance the temperature sensing probe from the inlet and outlet of the indoor unit by 30 mm to 50 mm and detect the temperature difference between the inlet and outlet of the indoor unit. The temperature difference between the inlet and outlet of the indoor unit during cooling mode should be above 8 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, the temperature difference between the inlet and outlet air should be above 12 degrees Celsius. Pressure on service port. Use damping adhesive to seal the wall hole to prevent foreign materials from entering the interior.